Welcome to the Learning Zone with Miss Beachley, Miss Hall, and Miss Bates.
Good morning, second grade friends. Today we are going to be editing our work. So I'll start with our standard. This is our standard that we've been working on all week. Write informative, explanatory text in which they introduce a topic, use facts and definitions to develop points, and provide a concluding statement or section. My objective today is to edit writing for conventions and format, which would be spelling, capitalization, grammar, and basic punctuation. So we are on step 4, which is editing of the writing process. Step 4 is we're correcting our mistakes, correcting spelling, we're correcting grammar issues, fixing capitalization. So when we need capital letters, we're adding them, and we are adding in punctuation. We're making sure we have punctuation. So we're going to use our writing checklist again. It's our writing checklist. So I'm going to go through each one of these, and then I have an example for you. Use a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence. Okay, so all those need to have capital letters. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to do that first. So I have 2 sentences that I wrote down as examples that are in my paper right now. All right, my first one. John Muir. Oh, I already see an issue. That J needs to be a capital J. So I'm going to cross it out. I'm going to fix it. And I see on my next sentence, already my sentence needs to start with a capital letter, so I'm going to cross out that M and make it a capital M. So the 2 sentences that I had to fix capital J and capital M to start my sentences. All right, next one on the checklist. Use finger spaces. All right, I need to go through. Well, let's see. Oh, John Muir. I need to make a finger space there. So John Muir needs to be a space. Each part of his name needs to have a space. John Muir, okay, was the father. I don't have a finger space between the and father. So I'm gonna change that. Sure, I have a space in between those 2. Of the national parks, I have national parks all run together with no finger spaces, so I need to fix that. And I actually need to capitalize national parks because that's a name of something. Okay, so I fixed that issue, put a finger space in between these 2. All right, let me look at my finger spaces over here. Okay, so the second sentence is fine. It was just some issues that I had in the first sentence. Okay, let me go to my next one. Use ending punctuation. All right, let me go through. Well, I do not have a period at the end of this sentence, and I would like to add a period, so I'm going to add a period. Doesn't look like I have a period in this sentence either, so I'm going to add a period there. All right. So the next one, use the word wall or just your own knowledge or the knowledge that you have from your computer and research to spell words correctly. All right, so I'm going to go through and see. Okay, so right now I have John Muir was the father of the national parks. To me, looks like all those words are spelled correctly, so I'm going to skip that. Okay. Many place were name. Oh, I need to add S for places. Many places were. That's not how you spell were. We got to add our final E. That's a sight word. Were named. That's not how we spell named. Got to do ED. Add ED to the end. Many places were named after him, like Mount Muir, Mount Peak. Muir Peak, a California quarter. I noticed that California is not uppercase. California is a place, it's a state, so it needs an uppercase letter. Okay, so a California quarter, a minor planet. Well, I know when I'm listing things, I need to use commas, but I also need to use the word and when I'm finishing listing things. So I have named after him like Mount Muir, comma, Mount Peak, comma, a California quarter, and a minor planet. Okay. So now it looks like since I added my and, it looks like my sentence flows nicely. Okay. What I would like for you to do is edit your paper that you have. You are to use the writing checklist. Okay, it's in your packet, but I'll upload it here as well. And we are not meeting tomorrow for class meeting, and you'll also not see me on video tomorrow. Fridays are professional development for teachers, so you will be doing your own independent work. So really quickly, I'm going to tell you what you're going to do for tomorrow. So tomorrow you're going to be publishing a legible document. It can be handwritten or electronic. If you choose to do handwritten, make sure it is print legibly, so your letter formation, your letter size, spacing, and alignment are correct. There is a video that I already made about publishing your work, so if you forget and you need some reminders, you can go ahead and watch that video for tomorrow. And once you are finished publishing your work, make sure you upload it to either Class Dojo, you take a picture and text it to me, or you put it on Google Classroom so that I can take a look at it. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.